Horses out, coming out into a sharp beginning. It's Ibarra by about 2 lengths. And in second, Tiwi Magic. Down on the inside, Flamenco Misa. Then next in line, Mooney Money alongside Santeria. Best of Chumaya. Down on the inside is Da Vinci Pierce Spider alongside. And going along for the first turn, Ibarra goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Flamenco Miss in second alongside third Tiwi Magic. Money Money is racing in fourth. Down on the inside, Pip Da Vinci. Santeria, Pierce Fighter, and Best of Chumaya. They swing into the back. Ibarra setting up the tempo by about 3 lengths. Flamenco Miss moving up on the outside. Tiwi Magic. Money Money is on the outside board. Best of Chumaya, then followed by Pierce Spider, Santeria, and Da Vinci. And it's the Ibarra by about 3 lengths. And in second still is Tiwi Magic, Money Money alongside. Best of Chumaya racing in fourth. Down on the inside, Pierce Spider. As they come down at the last 200. And it's the Ibarra by about 6 lengths. Tiwi Magic remains in second. Money Money alongside. Last 100 meters. We've got Ibarra by about 7 lengths. And nearing the finish line, Ibarra has won the 2010 Piracom Garnet 2. Second is number 1A Tiwi Magic, Pierce Spider, Money Money.